everyone, it's Kendall with Sleepopolis, and today I'll be going over a mattress that stands out more than just its comfort, the Avocado Green mattress. If you care about organic materials, sustainability, and high quality construction, you're gonna wanna stick around for this. The Avocado Green mattress is designed with the environmentally minded sleeper in mind. It's made with certified organic materials, so this mattress has a lot to offer. As always, be sure to check the YouTube description down below for any coupons to this mattress. All right, let's get started. First, let's pop the hood open and see what the Avocado Green mattress is made of. This mattress is a hybrid, but unlike typical hybrids, the Avocado Green is made with 100% natural and organic materials. It stands at 11 inches tall in the standard version and taller if you add the pillow top. Starting with the cover, it's made from certified organic cotton. It's breathable and soft and even wicks away moisture. Next, there's a layer of organic Dunlop latex that provides cushioning. Underneath that is a layer of individually wrapped coils that offer extra support in the middle of the mattress, which is great for spinal alignment and reducing motion transfer. Finally, there's a latex base layer that adds structure and stability to the entire mattress. The materials in this mattress really make it feel high-end. Plus, it's made in a certified organic factory in California. I will say it does have more of an earthy scent. It's not really bad, but it should go away a few days after you unbox it. Let's talk about how this mattress feels in terms of firmness. At Sleepopolis, we use a 1 to 10 scale. 1 is super soft and 10 is really firm. Though some of our reviewers stated it was a 7 out of 10 on the firmness scale after unboxing, when I tested it, it felt quite a bit softer. It started out firm after unboxing it, but after use over time, it softens up significantly, placing it at a 5.5. It has a very supportive, resilient feel thanks to the combination of natural latex and individually wrapped coils. The natural latex used in this bed is super responsive and it gently contours to your body, but doesn't let you sink in too much. Instead, you stay lifted on top of the bed, which is great for people who want pressure relief without losing that supportive feel. This mattress is great for those people who don't want that classic sinking in memory foam feel. Okay, so we all have different sleep styles. One mattress may work for one person while it may not work for another. I'm a side sleeper, so I'm always looking for a mattress that cradles my shoulders and my hips. So let's see how the Avocado performs for different sleeping styles. For back sleepers, this mattress is a real win. It keeps the spine aligned with just the right amount of firm support, while the latex provides a bit of contouring around the lower back. Lightweight stomach sleepers should also find comfort here, as the firm feel helps prevent the hips from sinking too far and throwing the spine out of alignment. But if you're a heavier stomach sleeper, you may want something firmer. Side sleepers should do pretty well on this mattress, but if you want an even softer feel, go with the pillow top version. The standard model can seem a bit firm at first, which can lead to pressure buildup at the hips and shoulders, mainly if you're lighter in weight. The added 2 inches of plush latex in the pillow top model offers much better contouring for pressure points. As a lighter weight side sleeper myself, this mattress is very comfortable, but with the added pillow top, it makes it even better. Next, let's get into 3 key factors when choosing a mattress: motion isolation, edge support, and responsiveness. Let's start with motion isolation. Because of the bouncy latex and the coil construction, the Avocado Green doesn't absorb motion as well as all foam mattresses. So if you sleep with a partner or a pet that moves around a lot, you might feel their movements. When it comes to edge support, the Avocado Green does really well in this category. The coils go all the way to the edge, creating a strong perimeter. This is great if you sleep close to the edge or if you like to sit on the side of your bed. You'll feel supported without that sliding off sensation. Now for responsiveness, this mattress is super bouncy. Latex is a naturally springy material, and when you combine it with a sturdy coil system, you get a bed that's very easy to move around on. This makes it ideal for combination sleepers who change positions throughout the night. And if you're like me and you tend to toss and turn at night, you definitely want a mattress that can keep up with you. Let's move on to pressure relief. This is especially important if you're a side sleeper or you have sensitive joints. Pressure relief is limited, especially if you're lighter in weight. The firm latex layer sits closer to the surface, and while it's supportive, it doesn't provide that slow sinking relief you might find in a memory foam mattress. Heavier sleepers may compress the latex more and get a bit more cushioning, but for most side sleepers, you'll likely feel some pressure buildup around the hips and shoulders. Time to talk about pricing and company policies. The Avocado Green mattress isn't the cheapest on the market, but it's well worth it if you're looking for high quality, certified organic materials. A queen size standard Avocado Green costs just under $2,000 without the pillow top. You'll also get a 365-night sleep trial, a 25-year warranty, and free shipping and returns. All right, now let's go over some quick pros and cons to wrap this video up. Some pros are that it's an eco-friendly option, it's great for combination sleepers, and it has great support for back sleepers. Now on to the cons. This mattress could be too firm for side sleepers, its motion isolation isn't the best for couples, and it may be too soft for most stomach sleepers. If you're thinking about getting this mattress, be sure to let me know in the comments down below, and also be sure to like and subscribe, follow us on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye!